Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to apply for a Discover credit card. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to go to the website, which is going to be discover.com. Now from here, we need to look for the link for credit cards. So at the top section, you should see the all product section. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, go to credit cards by clicking on it. Now from here in the credit cards page, you'll be able to see and view the credit cards that they actually are going to offer you. Now they have cashback credit card here, student cashback credit card, secured credit card, and a lot more. So go ahead and read through all of this and choose a credit card. But in this case, we'll be choosing the first one here, which is going to be the cashback credit card, and just hit on apply. Now, in the next page is going to say, let's save you some time. So with a little basic information, they can pre-fill some of your application. But in this case, you could go ahead and fill out the necessary details, but we could go ahead and just skip this step. Now, from here in the next page, you'll be asked to enter a few details about yourself, as well as the design that you want for your credit card. So there's going to be different designs here, like for example, this design here. So go ahead and choose that. And from here, you have the information section. So you need to provide the following information. So that includes your name, home address, date of birth, employment status, monthly housing rent payment, total gross income, and your email address. Now from here, they also have the terms and conditions here. Like any other platforms or any sign-ups, it is actually suggested and preferred to read further into the terms of use. So in this case, go ahead and read through all this one, and you could also print this one if you want to refer it later on as well. Now here you also have the terms and conditions agreement to it, so go ahead and agree to that, and from here go ahead and click on submit. Now from here on, you just need to wait for Discover to reach back to you. They might request you a few information or documents about yourself, like for example your ID or any other information, but in this case you just need to wait for them to reach back to you, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.